What actually happens when you forcefully crack your own neck? You are literally tearing your spine apart. That popping sound is not your bones realigning. It is the violent bursting of nitrogen gas bubbles inside your synovial fluid. When you forcefully twist your head, you are aggressively stretching your cervical ligaments like cheap rubber bands. Over time, they permanently lose their elasticity. Your spine becomes unstable, causing your vertebrae to painfully grind bone on bone. One wrong snap can even tear your vertebral artery. So stop doing that, hit the like and follow button, unless you want to find out.